Hi, welcome back to the Trusted Data Architect channel. In this episode, we bring Project SourceTRU together into one complete architecture blueprint. Over the last few episodes, we looked at source authority, platform flow, current state, data quality, access control, and explainability. Today, we connect those decisions. The goal is not to create a bigger diagram. The goal is to show how a trusted enterprise answer is designed from end to end. A useful blueprint is more than a stack of boxes. It connects decisions. It shows where each responsibility sits. It shows what belongs in the source systems, what belongs in the platform, and what belongs in the consuming products. In SourceTRU, the blueprint connects the business question, source authority, evidence, quality, access, explanation, and the final answer. The design starts with a question. When will the flight actually depart? That question sounds simple, but it depends on many facts. Is the aircraft here? Is the gate available? Has boarding started? Is baggage loading complete? The platform is not collecting data for its own sake. It is collecting and controlling evidence so it can answer a specific enterprise question. The first architecture decision is source authority. A system is not authoritative for everything. Airline operations may own the published schedule. The airport gate system may own the approved gate. The movement feed may confirm aircraft arrival. The baggage system may provide baggage progress. The platform must know which source is allowed to speak for each fact. Without that, every system looks equally believable, even when it should not be. When data arrives, the platform should not immediately override the original context. It should preserve the raw event, source, timestamps, identifiers, and receipt information. After that, it can validate, standardize, and derive new facts. If the original evidence is lost, the final answer may still look polished, but the platform will struggle to explain it. Enterprise state is usually composed. Source systems send events and facts, but they do not always hold the full current picture. One system may say the aircraft has arrived, another may say boarding has not started, another may say baggage is delayed. The platform combines governed evidence into a trusted current state. That state is not just copied from one place. It is composed using rules for freshness, authority, and conflicts. Data quality must sit inside the operational flow. A monthly quality report can explain what went wrong, but it cannot protect the answer at the moment the decision is made. The platform needs quality gates. Good evidence can update the trusted state. Risky evidence may be quarantined. Bad evidence needs a designed path. Capture, alert, fix, and replay. A trusted answer still needs access control. Different users need different views. A passenger may only need a safe status and gate. Gate staff may need tasks and exceptions. Operations teams may need evidence, confidence, and lineage. Executives may need trends and risk. The data product should expose safe views through a controlled contract instead of forcing every report to design its own permissions. A number on its own is not enough. If the platform says expected departure is 2010, people need to know why. The answer should carry a reason, confidence drivers, lineage, and a user-safe explanation. This is why explainability is part of the product. It is not just a separate dashboard. A good explanation helps people trust, challenge, and improve the decision. Across the whole blueprint, metadata is the nervous system of trust. The platform needs source metadata, timestamps, quality status, lineage, classification, ownership, and access rules. This control information must travel with the data. Without metadata, the platform can move information, but it cannot prove why the information should be trusted. Now, the complete SourceTRU flow becomes clear. Authoritative source systems provide evidence. The platform ingests and preserves that evidence. Quality gates protect the flow. Current state is composed from trusted facts. Access control shapes safe views. Explainability shows why the answer exists. The data product exposes the answer through a governed contract. This is the blueprint, a connected chain of responsibilities. The airport scenario is only the teaching wrapper. The same architecture pattern appears across many enterprises. In banking, a risk answer may depend on customer, account, payment, and fraud evidence. In healthcare, a patient flag may depend on clinical, lab, scheduling, and billing data. In logistics, a delay answer may depend on warehouse, carrier, tracking, and invoice events. The question is the same: who owns each fact? How current is it? And how do we explain the final answer? There are three lessons to take from this blueprint. First, a trusted platform is a chain of responsibilities, not a pile of technologies. Second, authority, quality, success, and explainability must be designed before intelligence is trusted. Third, the best blueprint helps people trust, challenge, and improve the answer. That is what moves a platform from integration to trusted intelligence. That completes the Project SourceTRU architecture blueprint for this first arc. In future episodes, we can go deeper into implementation patterns, testing, governance, and real platform design choices. If you are finding this series useful, please subscribe to the Trusted Data Architect channel. Please also like the video, share it with someone working in data architecture, and leave a comment. Tell me which part of the blueprint you would like me to explain or implement next. Thank you.